Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We are almost at 100 subscribers. But I know not everybody likes that V-Day that happens to come on February 14th, but y'all, it is a day to love yourself. Buy some chocolate, drink some wine if you're legal, and live your life. So I made this matte purple cherry set in theme of Valentine's Day. Um, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I'm starting off with my stiletto tips. I've already buffed and filed them, and yeah, so I'm just taking this Macar polish, and isn't this lavender, lilac? Would you call this lavender or lilac? Oh, ooh, colors are hard, y'all. I would say it's lavender. I don't know. But anyways, whatever it is, I'm taking it and I'm putting on 2 coats of polish, and I'm going to cure, of course, it's gel, so I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds after each coat. So after 2 coats of polish, this is what we're looking like. And I'm going to take a small detailing brush. Y'all, the brush ain't come like this. Something happened and I bent it, but it still works. It ain't broke. And I'm going to take this green polish, which is going to be like the stem of our cherries. And I'm just going to dip the detailing brush into the polish and basically do like small little triangles. Like they almost look like the letter Y, but upside down, if that makes sense. Hopefully. I'm gonna show y'all. And you'll end up with something like this. And I slowed it down here. So basically you're gonna take your detail brush, go on an angle, almost like you're making an upside down V, but for some of them you can start right at the tip and make a V, or you can go slightly from the tip and then do an outward angle, so that way there's a little bit of a stem at the top too. But don't worry about making them look super perfect, because they look weird and you're like, what the heck, they don't look like cherries. But once you add the gems, they look like cherries. So don't worry about it being perfect. Just do your little upside down V's, upside down Y's. Sorry if I'm confusing y'all, but that's the only way I can like explain it. It's a up downside. Wow. Upside down Y. And then once you have your cherry stems, go ahead and pop them in your lamp to cure. Y'all, look at this. My nail stand broke. So the magnet came off with the stand. If this happens to you, you can just drop a little bit of nail glue, like what you would use to put on press-ons. Drop that in the bottom and then stick the magnet back in and let that dry. But anyways, once your stems are cured, for this set I wanted them to be matte, so I'm taking my matte top coat. This one's from Born Pretty, and I'm just going to apply on a top coat layer. And I'm actually going to take my crystals and put them directly onto the top coat. I started out using the UV gel, but I don't know, with the top coat it just wasn't sticking on properly. So I just took the gems and stuck them directly in the top coat, and they're actually still on. Like, I have the set right now on my hand, and the gems haven't come off yet. So I'm just using a multi-pack of red flat back crystals. I got them off of AliExpress, and you can do them the same size for the cherries. You can do them different sizes. For mine, I did do some that were the same size, but for most of them, like 98% of them, I did one bigger one and one smaller one, just because I feel like, you know, it will make it a little more realistic, because what two cherries are always the same size in a bunch, you know? Like, you always got some big ones, small ones, some as big as your head. Those are coconuts. I know the song is about coconuts, but You get what I mean. You know what I mean. So just use your picker, and for each stem I did one side with a bigger red gem and then one side with a smaller red gem. And I found that because it was a top coat that the crystals kept sliding. So before you put it in your lamp to cure, make sure you readjust your crystals in the right position. Otherwise, you're going to have some crystals dropping off of their stems, baby. But cure them in your lamp, and once they are done, this is what they're looking like, you guys. I think this set is actually super, super cute. I kind of wish that I put cherries on all of the nails, but I thought that would have been a little bit of overkill. But if you guys like this set, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.